Assalamualaikum and a good day. My name is Muhammad Nazmi bin Muhammad Nizam, Metro ID MA20216, and this is our project presentation for the subject Engineering Management and Safety BMM3023, and we're going to present about the project of new model of electric cars in Tesla Group. And this is our team members, which consists of 3 people. And the first one is Muhammad Redha Selamat bin Abdullah. And the second one is Muhammad Nazmi bin Muhammad Nizam, which is me. And the third one is Muhammad Rifhan bin Abdul Rahim. And the objective of our project is to assist the company directors in determining the spending and performing the computation for each of the company new electric cars. And next one is to assist the company management in deciding which electric cars to invest in. And the last one is to put in place measures that will help the project to achieve its goals. And for the project scope, the company goals is to implement a project related to new model of electric cars into the Malaysian market. This is also in response to Malaysian market where Hyundai, Nissan and BMW have moved the price way board as a result of our currency price inflation. The project begins with Tesla Group acceptance of investment margin estimate, which must be exceeded by the profit margin generated by investor to the manufacturer and sell vehicle parts to consumers. To date, the expert team in metallurgy, process, and reverse engineering approach have been organizational participants of Tesla Group. And this is our organization structure, and on top of it we have chairman, and below him we have the secretary of the shareholders meeting, general manager and board of supervisors. And under general manager we have the project manager who act as the project coordinator, and below him we have the technical director, marketing director, production manager and financial director. And the technical director take holds of the research and development center, and it is consists of Tesla research and development department, terminal product group, communication platform group, and the network communication product and database group. And for the marketing director will take holds of the marketing center, which consists of the marketing planning department, channel development department, after sales service department, customer training department, and branches and office rounds. For the production manager, take holds of the production engineering department, which consists of the production processing department, maintenance and quality inspection, engineering, and manufacturing, which also consists of the assembly, testing, and fabrication. And for the financial director, will take holds of our company's finance, which consists of the accounting department, financial audit, item procurement, and legal counsel.
Hi, my name is Mohd Selamat Abdullah. Now I would like to present to you about assembly order of the parts. So this is all electric vehicle. There is model A, also referred to as battery electric vehicle, have an electric motor instead of an internal combustion engine. The vehicle uses a large traction battery packed to the power the electric motor and must be plugged into a wall outlet or charging equipment, also called electric vehicle supply equipment, because it runs on electricity. The vehicle emits no exhaust from a tailpipe and does not contain the typical liquid fuel component, such as a fuel pump, fuel light, or fuel tank. Next, I want to present to you about key component of a battery electric vehicle car. First component is battery or electric auxiliary. The supplementary battery in an electric car delivers electricity to power vehicle accessories. Next is charge port. The charging port allows the vehicle to charge the traction battery pack by connecting to an external power source. Next is DC-DC converter. This device converts high voltage DC power from the traction battery packs to the lower voltage DC electricity required to operate vehicle accessories and charge the auxiliary battery. Next is electric traction motor. This motor powers the vehicle with the help of the traction battery packs. Then next is onboard charger. Function is convert incoming AC electricity supply through the charge connector to DC power for charging the traction battery. While charging the pack, it also connects with the charging equipment and analyzes battery properties, including voltage, current, temperature, and stage of charge. Next is power electronics controller. This unit controls the speed of the electric traction motor and the torque it produces by managing the flow of electrical energy given by traction battery. Then thermal system cooling. This system keeps the engine, electric motor, power electronic, and the other component within a safe operating temperature range. Then traction battery pack. Electricity is stored here for use by the electric traction motor. And lastly is transmission for electric. The gearbox is responsible for transferring mechanical power from the traction motor to the wheel. That's all for me.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rifhan bin Abdul Rahim and my metro ID is MA20218. So today I'm going to present to you about the analysis on the time frame. So this is the return of investment ROI analysis, and we obtained that for model A, which is battery electric vehicles, we obtain our ROI is 48.89%, while the payback period is 2.05 years. For the plug-in hybrid electric vehicles for model B, for our ROI, we obtain 46.55% and the payback period is 2.15 years. Hence, we compare these two models and we know that model A has the highest ROI, which is 48.89% compared to model B, which is 46.55%. And model A also provide the shorter payback period, which is 2.05 years than model B, which is 2.15 years. Hence, we can conclude that we choose model A as it has the highest ROI and shortest payback period. Moreover, we do some net present value NPV analysis, and NPV is management's minimum desired rate of return to compute the present value of all net cash inflows. For model A, we obtain for the 12% margin, the NPV is 4028.80, and for 18% margin, we obtain 3880.30. For model B, we obtain for 12% margin is 2333.58, while for 18% margin, we obtain our NPV is 2242.46. Based on this NPV calculation above, we know that model A has the highest positive NPV calculation, which is 4028.80 for 12% margin and 3880.30 for 18% margin compared to model B. But we can also consider choosing model B because it shows positive NPV calculation. As for budget estimated that we need to make one electric car is 111,470 ringgit. And after some analysis, we must add another cost like transportation, labor, manufacturing costs, assembly costs, marketing and other. I suggest, and our team suggests, to put a selling price about 271,000 ringgit per unit car. And in conclusion, we summarize that we are confident that our team are planning to choose model A, which is battery electric vehicles, as our main product because I have mentioned before, it has the highest ROI, return of investment, and then it has the shortest payback period, which is 2.05 years, and also it has a positive NPV value. That's all from me. Thank you.